Alright, so on this video, I will be doing a quick performance demonstration on our CooVox systems. And for the servers we use for this demonstration, I actually use two servers, and they are both Intel Xeon 3.00 GHz processors with the CPU model E31220 and also 8 GB RAM. So I would say it is a pretty average, like a middle levels of server. And for the demonstration, we will be testing for 800 to 1000 concurrent cores on the CooVox systems. So let's get started here. Okay, first thing first, we need to log into our systems. Okay, and we'll be creating 4000 extension account. So let's go to the IP extensions bucket, and let's create 4000 extensions here. And it will take some time on these steps because we are creating 4000 extensions. Okay, so it looks like I waited for around 40 seconds, so it's not too bad. So let's click on the apply button to activate the 4000 extension that we just created. And let's check on the extensions. So let's go, not dashboard, let's move to the switchboard. And from here, we can see that we have the extension created. So they are slowly registering. So it will take a little bit of time here for the registration. So let's wait for the next registration circle to be done. And we should be able to have all the extensions ready. Okay, it is looking good. Right, so a few extension that is they are offline. Okay, it's looking good. Let's scroll all the way to the bottom and check on the status of the extension. Okay, and we can see that we have a total numbers of 4000 extensions, and none of them is busy, so 4000 extension is online. And let me pull up my terminals and log into our systems. So I will be using a pre-scripted programs for create the testing environments. And for the first testing, let's do the 800 concurrent cores. Okay, all right, the CPU's up. And on the right bottom diagrams or graph, you can see that is a course in progress. The line is slowly going up, so we are reaching to the 200 concurrent cores at this point, and it is still working. Moving up to the 400s. Okay, come on. Okay, we just passed the 400 line, so we are halfway there. Okay, 600 almost. On the two servers I used for this demonstration, I believe they can handle for 800 concurrent calls. I don't think that is going to be a big problem on the workload to these two servers. So we are reaching to 800 and we are almost there. Okay, it's looking good now. We are on the 800 lines, so let's check on the extensions. Okay, and out of the 4,000 extensions that we just created, are using the first 800 extension to call the bottoms 800, the another like 800 extensions. So let's scroll all the way to the bottoms. And we can see that actually 1602, so I'm using 801 concurrent calls. And let's moving back to the dashboard page. We are still on the 800 concurrent calls. For the next demonstration, let's try the 1,000 concurrent calls. But for the two servers that we use for this demonstration, I'm not 100% confident with the 100 concurrent calls, but let's give it a try. And let me terminate the programs here. So the calls are dropping. And let me modify the parameters on the programs from 800 to 1,000. And let's try the 1,000 demonstration. Okay. Let's give it a try. Okay. So the CPU's up, and we have our line is slowly going up. We are on our 200th. $300. Okay, we are halfway there. We just passed the 500 lines, reaching to 600. Passing the 600 life, we are getting to 800. Come on, you can do it. Okay, we passed the 800th line. Reaching to 900th. Okay, oops, I guess it reaches to its maximum capacity. So let's check on how many concurrent core it actually is. Okay, so it looks like we have reached to 968 concurrent cores. So it's almost there, not too bad. And let's going back to the extension page. Scroll all the way to the bottom and we can see the data. So it says 1963 if extension is busy. So that makes 968 concurrent cores.